Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it is day 8 of 12 days of arts and coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while trying some interesting coffees. So that means we gotta pick out another coffee. Alright, let's shake it up a little. A little mix. Alright, we got blueberry cobbler. Okay. I really don't like blueberry, but it's tolerable to me. So I'm gonna go make my coffee and pick out my gift for today. So here's the coffee. It smelled like very strongly of blueberries, specifically like blueberry muffins. So let's give it a try. Why does it taste like leafy? Like earthy? I've never had blueberry taste like that before. It's very interesting. So here's today's gift. It's one of the smaller ones, and it's a little bit heavy, so I'm concerned. So let's open it up. Oh my god, is this double layered? What is it? This is Nuck was too lazy to cut the wrapping down. Why is there... Okay. Stranger Things. Upside down cookie house kit. Oh dear.
Oh, I forgot about that. Wasn't what I thought it was.
Oh no. That's okay, we're experts. Totally good at doing this. The house is literally upside down. Alright, let's get this open. Now it looks like we cut out these shapes on the back here. I'm gonna do that first because I know if I wait to do it, I will not do it. Oh my god. Could I not do that? Jeez. Give it to me. I don't know if I need the bottom. I'll keep it on for now. Now we gotta cut out the Demo George. I probably should have cut out these other ones first so the box would keep its shape. I might have to just use scissors. The box is so shiny. Even I can't see what's going on, okay? Calm down. Do I really want to cut it out? Perfect. I'll get close, I guess. There's George. I don't remember what this one's called. Where does this even go? Like... This doesn't have a stand or anything. Good enough. I'm gonna cut this off because I don't think you need this part. I'm hoping. If not, we have tape. Don't worry. We got tape. Just weird that it's so perfectly that shape, though. Knit roll. Okay, we must massage the package. This is actually, like, not very stiff. Wait, let's bust everything out of here. God. Oh, it smells so good. Pretty sure it's like the same one that they make the Oreo houses out of. I almost want to eat this instead of make it. I mean, maybe I'll eat it with Knock when we're done here because we don't exactly have a spot to keep it when it's all done. Okay, these are all breakable pieces. I'm not going to snap them though because I did that one time and it was a mistake. Just also like I don't really want to do it over my mat here because I don't want to cut through it. What if I just poke holes through it? Oh yeah, look at that. That was great. Oh, it smells so good. Like Teddy Grahams almost. Anyone remember those? Are those still around? You can tell I don't snack. Heck yeah, look at me go. Cutting pieces like a master. All right, all the pieces are cutted. I'm gonna shave it down a little bit so they're straighter. Easy. Really nice when you have a sharp blade, am I right? And don't worry, I do wash my mat in between videos. Yay, crumbs. Let me take a little taste. There's so little there I couldn't taste it. Then we're gonna put the house together. In the images, it looks like it's not even like a dark house. It just looked like a regular gingerbread house. Where do we put the demo? What does it look like in the front? They're just like floating around. They're not doing anything. Jesus. I'm gonna make the stand first to get that done. Oh god, it's not even bending in the right spot. Is the stand even gonna work? Good thing I have tape conveniently at my desk where no one would be making their gingerbread house. Wow, this tape really ruined the stand though. This tape is not as clear as it claimed to be. All right, basically it's put the house together, then decorate it. Those are all the instructions we need, so get rid of that box. Keep my crumbs for later. Like, I always want to decorate first because I feel like it would be easier to decorate it when it's laying flat. But then when you go to put it together, you stick your fingers in all of it. So then it's like, whoops, you messed everything up. Ready? Could have been worse. Could have had like fondant in it. This is like a really simple and basic kind of gingerbread house. Make sure your sides line up to the bottom of the house and not the top of the house. Gotta hold it, gotta hold it, gotta hold it. Where's my fan? Get the fan out. Okay. Don't think I put quite as much icing on this side. I'm literally gonna turn on my little fan here to help dry the icing. Dry! Gonna take a sip of coffee while that hardens up a bit. You know, now that the coffee cooled off a little bit, I don't taste that like such an earthy flavor anymore. It just tastes like blueberry now, so I don't know what that was about. If you hear the buzzing, sorry. I'm gonna get this other side ready though. How dare you come out weird? Yeah, that side's nice and juicy. The icing's pretty good. I don't know what flavor it is. It's like, obviously it's icing flavored, but it's not like the normal icing. Okay, I think it might be safe to turn it now. Perfect. Now I gotta decide the best way for the roof to go together. I hate how these roofs like don't really line up. Hold on. Can I angle it? Maybe if I angled it. Watch me totally ruin this kit. Here, I'll do it so you guys can see the angle I'm trying to go for here. All right, let's see if this is going to make any kind of difference. Oh, it did. Oh my God. Why did I never think about doing that before? Has anybody else ever tried to angle the roof? I feel like gingerbread is really not that easy to cut into. It's like the chocolate ones that you want to do in the graham cracker houses. Well, I just took a chunk out of it. Whoops. Yeah, it's like going together much better now. So let me go ahead and shave a little bit more off of this one. Oh, no, it's not going together anymore. It was perfect before. Why did I keep touching it? Well, at least they're touching better than they were before, I guess. Like, they go together just fine like this. Maybe the angle's just not enough now. Because I shaved off too much like an idiot. Alright, this is the best it's gonna be. Almost seamless, but we'll have a strip of, you know, icing there anyways. So something I didn't realize for a long time was that the roof sometimes doesn't actually hit this lower wall here. So I'm not even gonna bother with icing that. And now we wait again. Okay, I think it's dry enough. I can add the center. Just doing this for extra firmness. Like I'm not gonna eat this immediately after I'm done with it. I tried, there was like a little piece of the bones that I tried. It tasted kind of like bubblegum flavor. Would help me in bubblegum. And the bats taste tart like American Smarties. Hopefully I didn't need that bat because there wasn't like a little chip I could eat. But now it's time to decorate. I can't put anything in the seam here if I want to put it on the upside down stand. So I'll have to keep that in mind. But I think I want to fill in the shingles on the roof. How dare you get stuck to the plastic. I'm gonna cut this like further back and the top too, I guess. Jeez, getting stuck everywhere. Just start on a lower one. That one up there seems to be bad luck. There we go. I think I want some bats on it. That makes sense, bats to be on the roof where there's usually a chimney. I'm going symmetrical this time, okay? You can really see the bats because the cookie is so dark. Oh, that bat's upside down. I mean, they will be upside down once I flip the house upside down, so, maybe I should have thought of that. Is it too late? Oh, if only I had any kind of faith of them sticking to the side of the house. Because I could put a couple hanging from upside down, but again, they'll be like the wrong way once I flip the house over. All right, so I want a bat above this window here. Did I flip all the bats around? I didn't. Only a couple of them are upside down. It's fine. Then above the windows, I think I want some of the bones. Should I put them above and below? Like one's the windowsill. There's like 2 extra bloody bones in here. It's crazy. The rest are like just little flecks. Maybe we'll put like the more bloody ones lower, like they're roses or something, like flower pots. You know, the windowsill kind. You can barely tell that there's windows there now. Gosh, can I even get in there at this angle? I am kind of relying on the indents in the house to kind of just be there, outlining what that thing is supposed to be instead of filling it in with icing. Oops. That's fine. Let's see. There's really only one super bloody one left. So maybe these ones on the side of the house won't have any flowers growing in there yet. You know, making up head cannons. This bone does not want to stay on. I can already tell. I'm going to decorate the back the same as the front too, so. Okay, I think now I'm going to add some more icing in places. Oh, it's coming out funny. Maybe that's not the front anymore. Oh god. Suddenly the house isn't staying together. It's weird. It was fine until just now. Must be all the bones dragging it down. Alright, I have so much icing left. I think I'm gonna, like, go around the roof. And, like, some kind of pattern. Hard to be at an angle, unfortunately. Trying to turn it very carefully because the walls started to shift a little. I was turning it earlier. I want to go back over this a little bit. This side's a little crazy. It's fine. It's gonna droop a lot. Oh god, it's gonna just fall off, I think. Oh my goodness. Help! Why is it so droopy? I can't even see what I mean. Look. I did not do this side very good. That's okay. That was a practice side. It didn't count. I'm like laying it on really thick all of a sudden. No, I'm touching it. No, no, my bone. It's okay. We can put that back on. Gonna go a little bit smaller on the side here. See if that'll help with the sagging. It just snowed a little extra on the other side. That's what I'm going with. Guess I'll put another bat here. We have some left over. Why not? The first side is the only side that like looks good from the extra icing I put on it. Yeah, look at all that. Oh my god. It's fine. It's a little frosty. Alright, I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little more and then I'm gonna flip it over onto the platform. I'm gonna try to flip this onto the platform now. Don't know how well this is gonna go. You ready? Oh no, because I shaved the sides down, it might not fit in here. Hold on. Maybe I should icing the platform too. I did it! Alright, my coffee's all done. That must mean we're done with the project. I'll try to get a better angle for you guys to see the whole house. That pathway I made, you know, made more sense when the house wasn't flipped over. And I definitely think I should have cut the icing hole a little bit smaller at first and then went bigger. But I was thinking more of like building the house before I was thinking about the details. So that's why I cut the hole so big in the first place. Now all that left is to try the cookie. I brought Knock in here to eat the cookie with me.
Cookie.
Okay, what do you want?
I don't know, just give it to me.
Okay, time to wreck the house. Oh god, it's put together too good. No, Peanut. It's chocolate. Could you imagine if it stayed together? Without the walls? Alright, what do we think of the cookie?
It's dry, but it's actually flavorful. The bones are an interesting flavor.
Yeah, they taste like, you know, American Smarties. Oh wait, no, the bones are like bubble gum.
Really? Mine tasted like tangy or something.
Oh, tangy bubble gum. The bats are definitely a different Smarties-esque flavor though.
The icing's good.
Alright, I cleaned everything up. So what we have left is the box. So I'm gonna rate this coffee a 2 out of 5 just because I don't like blueberry and the colder it got, the worse it got. So that's why that. And for the project, I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 5 because it was a fun little project that kind of changed up the pace of things and I got to eat it in the end. And it actually tasted pretty good. But that is going to be it for me today. If you guys want to check out the last 12 days of arts and coffees, you could tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you could tap the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!